so good at play games. Oh, do you like Joey's haircut? Okay, guys. It's like nighttime.
I already saw my haircut. I already saw it.
And we're doing this in the living room. We do not want Izzy to hear us. Yeah, so today's video is annoying Izzy. So we have to try our best to annoy her. Ready?
Yeah, so
we're gonna try to annoy Izzy.
you can ask us. And if we'll ask us, we won't say anything.
No.
No.
We're gonna try to annoy her. Okay. So I'm deciding not to make the video.
Yeah.
Hey guys. I'm just gonna go play on here. Actually, I'm gonna make a fort and go under it. You are not allowed to know Izzy zone.
Joey!
Are you okay? You fell in the trash.
Okay.
Okay, come on, Joey. Let's make a fort, okay?
No, Izzy.
Okay.
In the fort? No, Izzy and I.
Okay, guys. In the fort. Come. Oh my gosh. Good job.
It's a little light.
She's watching the dog. Do you see?
Izzy, we're just watching a video.
I know. I kind of want to, feel the breeze.
Yeah, me
A little.
Oh, that's so funny.
I know you guys are just pretending.
No, we're not.
We're watching a video. You're making one, I know it.
No, we're not. We're watching one.
No. If I hear you guys talking, then I know something's up.
Nothing
We're
good.
not making a video, we're watching one.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So be quiet
Let me come here.
and watch your video.
The video. I put it on silent, but I put it on subtitles. But I want to feel the breeze.
And besides, it's really dark in here, and you know that I'm scared of the dark.
How about you guys go here and I go in there? Then you guys can feel the breeze.
No, but we also want to be down here.
Yeah. So we'll just do this.
I'm about to fall.
I play here.
One tiny bed. Not really tiny, but yeah.
So we can get it.
You guys, can you read the words on the video? Can you guys read the words? Yeah, you can.
I don't like this video.
Guys, put camera on people. That's a funny video. I just what is it, guys? Put camera on other people.
Izzy, we want to go down there because
I'm sad.
bye, subscribe, and subscribe if you want some more.
Click on my channel.
It's comment
To the Nanny channel.
if you want a part 2. Bye.